Modern technology feels fast, disposable, and constantly changing. Yet beneath the apps, cloud services, and AI systems of today lies something surprising. Software written more than 40 years ago still running, still trusted, and still critical. This old code doesn't just exist, it powers the modern world. Number 1. Software built before the internet. Much of the foundational software running today was written in the 1970s and 1980s long, before smartphones, cloud computing, or even the modern internet. Languages like C, COBOL, and early Unix systems were designed when computing resources were scarce and failure was unacceptable. Every line of code mattered. Efficiency wasn't a feature, it was survival. That discipline created software that was simple, predictable, and incredibly stable. Number 2. Banks still run on it. Many global banks still rely on software written decades ago, especially COBOL-based systems. These systems process credit card transactions, payroll, account balances, international transfers. They handle trillions of dollars every day. Replacing them is risky, expensive, and dangerous. If something breaks, entire financial systems can fail. So instead of rewriting the code, institutions maintain it carefully and conservatively. Number 3. Reliability beat innovation. Old software wasn't built to impress users, it was built to run nonstop. These systems often operate for years without rebooting. They don't depend on constant updates, internet connectivity, or complex user interfaces. They do one thing and do it extremely well. Modern software evolves quickly, but rapid change introduces bugs, dependencies, and instability. Old systems trade flexibility for reliability, and in critical infrastructure, reliability always wins. Number 4. Rewriting is more dangerous than keeping it. There's a famous rule in engineering: never rewrite a working system unless you absolutely must. Why? Because old software has survived decades of real-world testing. Every edge case, every rare failure, every unexpected input has already happened and been handled. New software looks cleaner, but it hasn't faced reality yet. That's why airlines, power grids, telecom networks, and government systems often keep decades-old code at their core. Number 5. The people who understand it are disappearing. Ironically, one of the biggest risks today isn't the software, it's the shortage of people who understand it. Many programmers who wrote or maintained these systems are retiring. Finding engineers who understand legacy code has become difficult and expensive. Yet rewriting everything is still riskier than teaching new generations how the old systems work. Number 6. Modern systems are built on top of old ones. Even cutting-edge technology often rests on ancient foundations. Linux, which powers most servers and cloud platforms, descends directly from Unix. Core networking tools, file systems, and process management models were designed decades ago and remain largely unchanged. Modern software stacks are layered on top of these stable foundations, not replacing them. Number 7. Old code runs the world quietly. You don't see this software. You don't interact with it directly. But every time you swipe a card, make a call, book a flight, or access the internet, it's there. The world doesn't run on flashy apps. It runs on boring, old, reliable code. If you enjoy understanding the hidden systems that quietly keep modern society running, subscribe to the Talking Tech channel for more deep dives into technology, history, and the unseen foundations of the digital world.